Just came back from another press trip. We have this package and it seems like it's a holder from 9/18 from a few weeks ago. So let's see what we got here. There's always a lot of tape. Oh, okay, I've been waiting for these things. These are magnetic wires for the iPhone, for everything else. And actually I have this Apple one that broke during this trip, so maybe this will work. We'll see, we'll check it tomorrow morning. So I got the new iPhone 16 and also which comes with its normal Apple wire, but I have these wires that are much better quality. They're magnetic, so they're better to store. I don't know why Apple has never designed good wire cases or wires in general. Let's open this one up. This is identical, so we need to open two. So see, look how cool this is. They stay in shape when you roll them up. Has better materials, obviously fit perfectly compared to this cheap version from Apple. I'm not gonna even open this. I'm just gonna leave it here in the box. I'm not gonna use it ever. When I sell the new phone, like in a year or so, when the 17 comes up, the new buyer is gonna have an original wire. This is all I'm gonna use with this iPhone. I also have this adapter. So this is good to connect to other devices. So the key here is the speed. This transmission speed is 40 gigabytes per second. I want to check the speed on the Apple wires and I'll let you know. So I'm using this new magnetic wire to set up my new iPhone, so let's do it here. So I've been using these wires a lot since I got them a couple of weeks ago, to the point that in some videos people are asking me, why are you connecting the phone through a wire? It has an induction platform to charge. And the answer is simple, it's speed. These wires charge about 3 times faster than these induction platforms, and since it's magnetic you can roll it up down there and doesn't make a big mess. And also the advantage is that it can charge any other device, cameras, my watch if I will need it. So I highly recommend this, and again, this is something that Apple should have worked on its own, make better wires. So here's the challenge for this company. Why don't you create a wire or a whole charging system for the Apple computers, which are bulky, messy, and difficult to manage? There you go. Let's do it. So these wires are also really good for data transferring. This is 4K video and it goes really fast with these wires. And this is the Apple charger that I was talking about before. I wish this company will make a super nice and easy to use system instead of carrying all these transformers with 2 different wires and other stuff. So not very convenient, but it's what it is. It will need one of these connectors. I don't know if this is an exclusive design by Apple and nobody else can make it, and maybe that's why they have the monopoly on that too, and we'll stick with it. Here it is, the DJI Action Osmo 5 connected, and we're gonna transfer some files here. There's the data transferring, less than a minute, 4K file, no problem. So this other version of the wire from the same company is also USB-C on one side, but it has the regular USB here and this adapter that you can pull out if you need it. So this is 2-in-1, also very useful.